Okay, so here's the current plug that we have. These are the two plugs that they come with. In case they do not need to replace the plug, if it's the same plug that goes to the e-board, then just leave it alone as it is. The only difference might be is this plug here with the two cords. It's just a sensor that goes connected here for heat. If they don't have that option in their electronic board, they can just clip the wires here at the end and there shouldn't be a problem. In case they do need to replace the plug, they should clip the two wires, but clipping the negative wire first and then the positive wire, which is the red one. That way they can avoid a shortage in their battery pack, and they're going to damage the new battery pack. So once again, clip the negative wire first, the black one, and then they can go ahead and clip the red wire. And all they would do is just take the plug that's required for their electronic board that they have, peel these wires from here a little bit, plug it into the next one. They could either use shrink tubing, which is most ideal for these, and the shrink tubing they use is a 332, and it looks like this one here. So this is the type of shrink tubing that we use. Like I said, it's most ideal for them to use this kind. If they do not have shrink tubing, they could use some basic electrical black tape, and that should take care of the covering of the wires so they don't touch each other and create a shortage in either the battery pack or the electronic board. Once everything's set up, go ahead and plug it in, and they should be able to use it from there.